ゆっくり左へ出す。確認書、左をします。停止目標ですね。
This is the N700S Shinkansen Supreme Series bullet train facility.
The crystalline structure is sound. We are at 99.7% purity.
Oxidation levels remain stable, Master Craftsman.
Why scan a piece of metal? If a bolt fails at 300 kilometers per hour, they need to know exactly where that metal came from.
Are all metals equal? No. The nose of the N700S requires a much more flexible alloy than the floor.
How do you make metal soft? Heat it to exactly 450 degrees Celsius.
How sharp is that blade? It cuts through 5mm aluminum like a knife through butter.
Can metal stretch? Yes, and it makes the train much safer at high speeds.
Can you see invisible cracks? With UV light and green dye, nothing stays hidden.
How big is a train floor? It's longer than 2 school buses and weighs as much as 3 cars. Next, building the walls.
Gantry B, synchronized ascent. Clear the jig.
Roger that. Panel secured. Moving to the integration station now. ここで位置について。
はい、確認しました。
ロックしました。
The N700S Shinkansen Supreme Lane Series bullet train. The square-foot JR Central.
Why is the roof curved like a bow? To slice through air and stay quiet for the neighbors near the tracks.
Glue absorbs sound better, making the N700S the quietest train in the world.
Why is it shaped like a wing? To prevent the tunnel boom, a sonic pop when the train enters a tunnel.
What's the secret to a perfect shape? Sucking all the air out with a high-power vacuum.
How do you align something 25 meters long?
With lasers that can detect the width of a human hair.
Is it one piece of metal now?
Yes, the FSW creates a molecular bond so strong the joint disappears. Next, installing the second wall.
Pole position.
Bring it down 50 millimeters.
Check the parallelism. We are within tolerance.
Is it a train now? Structurally, yes. It's now a rigid, aerodynamic aluminum tube.
Dual robotic synchronization ensures even heat distribution, preventing any thermal twisting as the roof is fused to the walls.
Can we see through metal? With ultrasound, engineers can see every atom of the weld.
It's the airtight seal that keeps your ears from popping at 300 kilometers per hour.
Yes, the N700S Supreme Nose is finally in place.
Prepare the welding sequence for the undercarriage brackets.
Acknowledged. Rotation speed is stable.
3 technicians are positioning heavy steel brackets onto the aluminum underframe. These high-strength mounting brackets support
How is it so quiet inside? It's because of the 4 inches of high-tech space-age foam in every wall.
45 kilometers of wire?
That's long enough to wrap around the factory 8 times.
Can a honeycomb support a train? This one is stronger than solid steel, but light enough to lift with one hand. Where does the fresh air come from? An invisible silver artery running through the entire roof.
What weighs 7 tons and moves at 300 kilometers per hour? The N700S Bogie, a masterpiece of high-speed engineering.
All stations, initiate lift sequence. Monitor tolerance closely.
How do you land a 30-ton giant? With the precision of a surgeon and the power of industrial hydraulics.
What keeps the train on its wheels? Single high-tensile bolts capable of holding 100 times their own weight. Next, plumbing the brakes.
Can air stop a train? Yes, via these braided steel arteries that power the world's most advanced braking system.
はい、モスコね、位置を確認です。
ズレはありませんで、固定を解消してください。
Maintain temperature at 80 degrees Celsius.
Roger that. Initiating sequence stabilization.
The N700S Shinkansen uses a special pearl white coating. This finish
Why so shiny? The clear coat makes the train aerodynamic by reducing surface friction with the air.
Is that bulletproof glass?
Not quite, but it's designed to withstand bird strikes at 300 kilometers an hour.
Panel をドグマスライドさせてください。
はい、維持を加にしますね。こたしてくださる。
こたしました。点灯試験を開始します。
位置を確認してくださいね。はい、ズレはありませんね。操作単位でですね。
Forget your bag? These high-tech racks will light up to remind you when you arrive.
Luxury at 300 kilometers per hour. Every single seat in the N700S now have its own private power outlet.
Why are they so quiet? They float on magnetic fields, never touching the rails they slide on.
These pods are built separately and plugged directly into the train to save time and ensure quality.
Engaging the Scharfenberg coupler now.
Solid contact. Electrical connection secured.
Confirmed. Proceed with testing protocol.
Why just one arm? The N700S design uses fewer pantographs to reduce wind noise at 300 kilometers per hour.
Is it dangerous? At 25,000 volts, safety protocols are managed with surgical precision.
シリコンカーバイドコンバーターが過長温度45度を閉じしていますね。
はい、生徒シスゲームも問題なく機能していますね。
How do you stop a 700-ton bullet? With massive pressure and copper alloy pads that can handle 800 degrees Celsius heat.
Why is it leaning? To cancel gravity, so you can drink your coffee without spilling, even during a fast curve.
The N700S has its own mini power plant to keep you safe in the dark.